Hey everyone, in the world of cloud computing, there's a couple of players making waves, big corporations like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. But what are the differences and why is that important? And that's what I want to cover here today. So I am going to share this screen. Um, we have been working hard on our services around AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Well, Azure being one that we've been doing for quite a while. But optimization on all these different platforms is becoming increasingly important. Amazon, biggest player, oldest player around, currently with the biggest market share, still going fast, going hard. Azure trying to catch up, releasing services left, right, and center, looking at competitors doing the same thing, but also trying to follow their own direction. And then finally, Google marketing themselves as the player, for instance, in the Web3 space to build your Web3 products, but also trying to use their build up brand a lot to get the Google Cloud adopted and quickly gaining ground as well. We at LicenseQ optimize all three clouds. So if you're interested in that, do give us a follow. We have written about the differences and the things that are same in these platforms. They obviously offer a platform to run your IT environment, but they all do it in a quite different way actually, with different product names, different prices, different models that they adopt. We've created a small overview. Might be of interest to you to learn how, what, and when these things came about. So right now you see AWS the oldest, starting in 2006. Google Cloud already launched in 2008. So earlier than Azure, who launched in 2010, but not really doing much with the Google Cloud platform until a few years later, actually. They have many different data centers. And usually if someone builds a new data center, one of the other players will build one close by because of the infrastructure that is currently there at that moment. The services that they offer, so you can see that Amazon and Azure offer over 200 services. Google Cloud lagging a bit with 100, but they focus on very much on the computing aspect of it. The current cloud share, as you can see between the three of them, they take quite a big of the pie, piece of the pie currently, almost 70%. And they run on a compute engine, which Azure calls virtual machines, AWS calls elastic compute, and Google Cloud Platform calls the compute engine. If you look at their networking solutions, Microsoft is working with VNet, AWS is a virtual private cloud, and GCP uses the cloud virtual network. Finally, what is very important if you want to optimize is how are they billing. Azure bills based on a charge per minute, AWS on a charge per hour, and Google follows the Azure model based on a charge per minute. We obviously are old school Microsoft heads, so we also wrote about what is possible within the Microsoft software on these different platforms. So Microsoft obviously has a benefit called Azure Hybrid Benefit, which is something that they only allow on Azure. But you do have options with AWS and Google Cloud Platform, like license mobility through software assurance. And as of late, Microsoft allows the use of Microsoft 365 applications on the Amazon Web Service platform. So if you want to learn about how we can help you save cost, do read the page below. We've written extensively on the topic. And do try and find us online and let us know how we can help you. Hope to see you around.